Welcome students. Today we are going to obtain output characteristic for common emitter configuration of a BJT. Students, आज हम कॉमन एमिटर कन्फिग्रेशन के लिए BJT की आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑब्टेन करने वाले हैं। तो पहले हम ये समझ लेते हैं कि आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कॉमन एमिटर कन्फिग्रेशन में क्या होती है। तो कॉमन एमिटर कन्फिग्रेशन में हमारा आउटपुट वोल्टेज होगा VCE और आउटपुट करंट होगा IC। तो एक पर्टिकुलर इनपुट वोल्टेज VBE की वैल्यू को कांस्टेंट रख के हम VCE की वैल्यू को वेरी करेंगे और अकॉर्डिंगली जो हमारा कलेक्टर करंट यानी आउटपुट करंट IC मिलेगा उसकी वैल्यू को हम नोट डाउन करेंगे। एंड फाइनली फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू ऑफ VBE we will plot the graph between VCE and IC। यानी कि एक पर्टिकुलर इनपुट वोल्टेज VBE की वैल्यू के लिए आउटपुट वोल्टेज VCE और आउटपुट करंट IC के बीच का जो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिलेगा दैट इज कॉल्ड आउटपुट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फॉर कॉमन एमिटर कन्फिग्रेशन फॉर अ BJT। सो लेट्स स्टूडेंट वी स्टार्ट the experiment. So first I understand the circuit arrangement. Here in input side I have supply VBB to vary the input side voltage through RH1, and voltmeter emitter are connected in input side, and in output side we have VCC supply, and we can vary output supply through RH2. Also emitter and voltmeter are connected in output side. So the value of RH1 and RH2 can be vary from here, and so first we make input voltage constant, means we make VBE at a particular value, and for that we change the value of VCE through RH2 and note down the reading of IC. So students, here I am making input voltage VBE constant at a particular value, that is 0.5 volt. Now I am going to vary output voltage VCE and note down the reading of output current IC. I will take few readings so that I can draw the graph properly. We have set input voltage VBE fixed at 0.5 volt, and from RH2 rheostat 2 I am going to vary the output voltage VCE and note down the reading of IC. Now I plot the graph. So we can see the output characteristic, that is VCE versus IC graph. Now I am going to vary the input side voltage that we have set to 0.5 volt previously. Now I am going to set it to, let it be 1 volt. From RH1 I have set value of input voltage, that is VBE, to 1 volt. Now I am going to vary VCE output voltage through RH2 and note down the reading of output current IC. I will take few readings and then plot the graph, in which on x-axis we take VCE, that is my output voltage, and on y-axis we take output current IC. Means we can observe how the output current is going to vary when output voltage VCE is changing. That is called output characteristic. And now I plot the graph. This is my graph at constant input voltage 1 volt. Now again I am going to vary the VBE value through RH1 and make it constant throughout the readings. Let it be 2 volt this time. Now again I am going to vary the VCE through RH2 and note down the reading of output current IC like this. And finally we plot the graph, that is VCE versus IC, that is called output characteristic for common emitter configuration for a constant input voltage VBE equal to 2 volt. Now this is my output characteristic for common emitter configuration at constant value of VBE equal to 2 volt. That is the graphical representation between collector emitter voltage and collector current. Thank you, students.